here's an unboxing of this Mahjong mat right here. Comes in this cardboard box, and then it also has its own case inside of that cardboard box. Shoulder strap on it, drawstring on it. I'll pull it out and show it to you here. So it comes with some tape on it just to keep it nice and rolled up. Pop that off, and I'll roll this out now. Here's a look at the underside. It's got that nice sticky texture, so it's not gonna slip and slide all over the place. And then here's a look at the mat. It'll take a second just to flatten out from being rolled up, but you can see pretty much right away you can get it to flatten out and take a nice shape. So really awesome colors all the way around it. None of the stitching on the borders coming out, no fading of colors, and it feels really, really nice. So happy about this. Think you will be too. Looks awesome, feels awesome, and the quality, definitely high quality. And the carrying case is a huge plus.